Parts of London and the southeast have seen flash flooding.
Climate change is causing flooding around the globe, and when it hit in our hometown, our own family, we couldn't just sit and watch.
This is the front door, dining room next to it. You can see everything's trashed.
We had to take action and find a root cause behind it. Here are our findings, along with a very personal experience shared by one of our group members. According to NASA climate change website, sea level is rising around the world, which plays a major role in flooding. Our findings about historic flooding warnings in East London agrees with NASA. But what causes water levels to rise? London has always been vulnerable to the sea level rise, as the high tides in River Thames brings increased water levels to the rivers in the city. According to a policy report posted in www.gov.uk, sea level rise in the Thames estuary has been accelerating over the last few decades. Now let's hear a personal experience from one of our group members.
I just wanted to talk about my personal experience of flooding in my local area of Ilford in East London. Many properties in the Ilford area of East London were built on reclaimed marshland over 100 years ago in Victorian and Edwardian times. Many of the properties included cellars for coal stores. With the rise of climate change, surface flooding and groundwater flooding has increased in the area in recent times, with local residents on the nearby Claybury estate having their gardens flooded in July 2021 after heavy rain, and many residents resorting to fitting tanking systems in their cellars to divert the floodwater. The effect of climate change on our lives personally is increasingly becoming apparent.
A report from NASA climate change website suggests that global dam projects initiated in 1960 till 1980 flattened the sea level rise or water level rise. We would like to suggest the same, initiating global dam projects in our local areas in order to prevent floodings. We would like to conclude by saying that due to time shortage, we couldn't finish our project properly. We would like to work further on finding out if global dam project could be a solution to the water level rise and flooding in particular. Thanks for your time and consideration.